Good afternoon, I'm Mike Powers. This is the first full day of testimony in the murder trial of a man accused of killing a restaurant worker for the money in her tip jar. News 13's David Romero is live at District Court with more on this. David?
Well, Mike, the jury listened to both the state and defense discuss how they're going to present their cases. Now, the defendant, Donte Power, sat quietly during the opening statements. Investigators say Power walked into the Golden Star restaurant on San Pedro in July of 2008 and shot one of the owners, Fan Chen, in the chest. They say he then grabbed the tip jar and ran away. From there, they also say that Power fled to Coronado Mall, where several witnesses saw him walk into the mall with a gun in his waistband. Others say they later saw him toss the gun into some bushes outside. The state said it will have experts testify that the gun found in the bushes is the same gun used to kill Fan Chen. When the defense addressed the jury this morning, they stressed that everything that the state will present is circumstantial, and there was no one witness that saw Donte Power shoot Mrs. Chen.
The circumstantial evidence does not hold together, and at the end of the trial, we're going to ask you to find Mr. Power not to be the person who shot Ms. Chen.
At the end of this case, we're going to ask you to find Mr. Power guilty of first-degree murder of Q Feng Chen.
Now, in addition to first-degree murder, Donte Power is also facing a charge of child abuse. That's because the state says when he shot Fan Chen, her son was in harm's way at the time of the shooting, according to the state. Mike, back to you.
David, thank you very much. The state is now presenting its case. We'll have updates on the trial in our later newscasts.